Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to make a barn door for the bath that we've been working on. I looked at buying slabs, I looked at buying, you know, barn door kits and things like that, and it just, well, the prices just got stupid now with supply issues. So this is what I'm going to do. I bought this cabinet grade plywood at the depot, and now what we're doing is I'm cutting it down. I figured one would be enough for me to do what I need to do. And basically what I'm going to do is, like this, I cut off a 4-inch slat, and then I'm going to have one on each side, and then we'll do the horizontal as we go. But the width of the door I need, this one is going to be plenty for me to complete it. And once I double thickness up the edges, as you can tell, it's going to be plenty thick. And once it's painted, because this one is going to be painted, and actually I'm going to make 2 doors. But once it's all painted, I think it'll be pretty good. So basically what I've been doing is I cut off the original sheet, and I'm actually using it as a saw guide, because I'm using my circular saw with a plywood finish cutting blade from Diablo that I picked up. And it's actually doing a really nice clean job, and no splinters, no nothing. So I think it's actually going to work out pretty well. So I'm about to set up now for the second cut. My saw has a 5-inch inlay from the motor. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to actually measure out from where I am here, and I'm going to set my piece 9 inches in for that. And so that's what I'm going to do. Is just take a pencil mark, and we're just going to come in like so, and where it says 9, I'm just going to put a mark here, and then that's where we're going to line up the fence. And I'm just using a couple of these Irwin clamps to clamp it in place. I just line it up to the mark, put a clamp there, like so, on the outside. Then I'm going to use my triangle to make sure I'm still square, and that is pretty square. And so let's rip another piece here. I think we're good. Okay. Got a nice piece, another one, huh? And it's actually, they're cutting really nicely. So I'm going to cut down all the pieces I need. I'll have all the horizontal and everything I need. And even this is part of that, the fence is actually part of the board that I cut off. So I need a board that's about, I'm going to shoot for about 33 inches wide. This door is going to be. That will give me enough overhang, and hopefully it'll look pretty good when I'm done. So I'm going to make one more cut, and I think I should be at the width I need. And then once I get all the pieces together, then I'll bring you guys back. But yeah, I'm pretty close to where I need to be. Okay guys, I got everything cut. I got my wood glue, and I got my pin nailer with 1-inch brads or whatever. The middle, there's not going to be a piece in the middle because I want to put a mirror in the middle here. But I got the top, the bottom, and the sow's gut, or whatever they call it. And so what we're going to do is we're going to start gluing it down. Okay, so I'm going to glue it and pin it in place just the way it is here. Okay. So I'm going to use a lot of glue, and I think we'll sand it, fill in all of the crevices, and then I think we should be good to go. All right, got some glue, and then we're going to stick. Mush it around, make sure we got good adhesion, and then we're just going to, it's got a little bow to it, so we're going to pin nail it. I got the compressor going, and we're going to start with a corner and just pin nail it in place. There we go, right there. And those 1-inch nails should not go through the bottom. Everything's cut to size, it should be pretty good. And then go over there until the glue sets, okay? So basically, the pins are going to hold it until the glue dries. So that should do it right there. I'm going to put another one right here. And that should do it. Okay. And put some glue down. And this is not a perfect door, obviously, but I think it'll be sufficient for what I need it for. Okay, there we go. Right there. Okay. Okay, right there. Alright, let's see. Glue that down. Yep, glue around a little bit. Okay, there we go. Right there. None of those come through the bottom, so that's nice. Square it here. And then a couple in the middle to hold it together while the glue sets. And then those. Yeah, it sucks working on your porch. Alright, let's see, we're gonna put some glue there. Okay, there we go. And then butt it against there, butt it against there. Okay. There we go. There we go, that's nice. We'll do the end here. Okay. And then just do the end over here. You know, my place is still a mess here, so we're gonna put a little glue. There we go. Okay. All right, and we'll fill in all those with this one's got a little bit of bend in it, so that's okay, because this is the top, the other side is the bottom. So we're going to hit it with a nail there. That's it. I put some plastic wood on all of these surfaces, and so that's the door. Pretty much done. We'll put a mirror in the middle maybe, but we're going to paint it white. We'll give it a light little coat of primer, and or you can stain it, do whatever. But I think full, almost 1.5 inches wide, because it's almost 3/4 inch board. So I think that's a very solid door that I could ask for that barn door. We're going to put a kit on it, and then we'll hang it, and we might bring you along for that. But we'll see how it goes. But thank you again for watching another video, and thank you for subscribing. Have a great day. Take care now. Bye. All right, guys. It's getting late, but hey. It's in white now, okay? And like I said, I'll put a mirror in, and then we'll figure out what to put as a center base. But otherwise, there you go. Some glue, some pins, some filler, and it actually looks pretty good for a basic barn door.